Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is a bit of an announcement actually. So I know I've taken a little bit of a break, but I was on holiday. But I want to tell you guys that I am going to Geneva Motor Show, but I'm going to be doing a little bit of a road trip there on the way and something a little bit afterwards as well. Now I've got about 4 days to play with on the way there and on the way back, so I'm trying to time it. But the first decision that I have to make is what car do I take with me. Now, thanks to Virtue Mercedes-Benz in Slough, where you know I got my S-Class from, and if you don't know, check the video up there or on that side, wherever it is, and you can see that. But they have said to me, listen, you want to go to Geneva? Okay, fine, we'll give you a car. Any car from Mercedes, within reason obviously, no limited stuff, not like GTRs or anything like that, but they'll give me any car that I basically want, anything from G-Wagons to GDC, GTS, and this is the first car that I picked up from them as my kind of trial to get to that point. So I did actually announce this on my Instagram, and if you're not following me, remember to check over here, make sure you follow me, that I will be doing this road trip, but I need your guys' help as to which car I should choose. So throughout this video, leave comments as you're thinking about it, about which car would be the best for this road trip to Geneva. Bear in mind, I'm gonna do it to the show, as well as taking it up into the mountains as well, and Blue's gonna be joining me, so we're gonna get some amazing shots with the drone and everything up into the mountains. So I'm really looking forward to it. It's actually my first proper road trip. I haven't done too much before this. Just before this, I've probably been to like Spa, but then I only took another car, so it wasn't that big a deal. Starting off first is the E43 AMG. One of the most popular choices, I think, was the E63S. So I'm just starting off with this, kind of building up to that. But I remember some of the popular choices were S63 Coupes, E63S, GTS, GTC, and I think a few people said G-Wagon as well. So it is absolutely freezing here. It's like -2 degrees. Let's jump in the car, have a look around, and then also we'll go for a little bit of a drive, test it out for the use, and then we're going to end up at Mercedes to just have a look at a few other cars. So let's jump in. So as I was kind of saying, what I want to do is I want to test this car for the stuff that I'm going to be using for on the trip. Now, most of that trip is going to be, of course, on motorways, highways, or whatever, going into Europe. So I want to see how this does on the highway. So I'm going to jump on the M25 and just see how it kind of, the ride is, how smooth it is, how easy it is to accelerate if I need to, what's the power like, and all that kind of thing. And then when we stop and we have a look, we can check out all the kind of interior, have a look at the boot space and all that kind of stuff to see if it is the right car for the trip. But let's see what it's like on the motorway. So on the motorway, great car, I think. The ride is so smooth. Even though I know this has got slightly bigger wheels than normal, it's still really smooth. Excellent visibility all the way around. It is got all the stuff in here that I'm going to kind of want to need, you know. Long, straight motorway driving is not the best in a car that's going to be having too much outside noise or it's going to have anything else. So, you know, you've got all the system in here, which is fantastic as well. Now, it does have obviously different range of modes here. You've got like comfort, individual, sport, sport plus, and everything. So if you need to on the motorway, you can kind of just drop it down, go to sport plus, and if you need to kind of accelerate, get past somebody, it's pretty good as well. And now, luckily as well, I say luckily, I don't know if it's lucky or not, but we've kind of got Switzerland, Geneva weather here today, which is really odd because I think Europe's been hit by some sort of snow blizzard. Let's get the car parked up, have a look around it, and also check the main thing in terms of luggage space and everything else for the trip. So before I go to Geneva, I'm just going to keep these videos really short as kind of like a pre-road to Geneva videos. Just give me like a really high level overview of the car. So with the E43, honestly, it's a great car. It's nice. I don't feel like it's got enough wow to take on the trip. I know the kind of the obvious wow choices would be something like a GTC or a GTS, but I kind of want to do something a little bit different. So this car, performance is there. I mean, like, you drop this thing into sport like I did earlier, and you get into the manuals, and you know, you got steady acceleration, the noise is there. I'm sure this would be fun up and down the mountains, and of course it would be comfy to the show, but I just feel like I want something a little bit more special, and I do need your help. By the way, make sure you are subscribed, because those videos are going to be coming very soon. I do leave for Geneva in like a week or so to the show, so make sure you are subscribed, hit the subscribe button. But yeah, let's go to Mercedes. Let me try and speak to them and see what else there is on offer. Yeah, let's head to Mercedes in this honestly quite impressive car. The new engine is actually pretty good, and it's 4MATIC as well. It's all 4-wheel drive, which means in this weather, in the snow, and up in the mountains, it will be pretty good. Right, head to Mercedes. So obviously one important thing for the road trip that I did mention before is the boot space and storage space. So we'll check out the back seats in a second, but check this out here. This is going to be perfect. I think those seats do go down as well, so this is going to be pretty perfect for the road trip. We're going to need some space, because if I do take a car which has more than 2 seats, I may chuck it out there and say a competition. Somebody want to come along with me? Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. If you want to, let me know in the comments. Hit the like button as well. But this is looking good. Let's check out the back seats as well really quickly. Not that much space here as well, so if any one of you are going to be turning up, then maybe it might not be ideal. Although I'm looking and I'm thinking, Blue, what do you think about taking one of these on the trip? What do you think about taking a smart car? A smart car. Hit the like button or let me know in the comments if you want me to take a smart car to Geneva.
Should we say something like 20,000 likes and we'll go in this?
Yeah, 20,000 likes, then I'll take this. This one or that one. This is the 4-seater and this is the 2-seater. So if you want to see me take one of these to Geneva, 20,000 likes. Let's do it. Never gonna happen. That's fine. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So remember, I do need your help on this. I'm going to be trialing 1, maybe 2 more cars before I do take the trip next week. So expect another video, hopefully on Sunday, and then the announcement of which car I am taking next Wednesday on the 7th, because I will be heading off on the 8th. Remember to like, subscribe, and do all the other bits, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.